Hi and welcome you all to Learn Everything Online Hobby channel. Today I am going to show you a very simple craft. This is called as simple flower. Why it is called as simple flower? Because it looks so simple. This is a flower which you can make it with single craft paper, only with this paper, scissor and your stapler. And you can make it with different colors and it looks amazing. So you can make it with another color and so many different colors. So let's start. So for making simple flower, what we will need is our standard craft paper. This is of size of 22 centimeter by 28 centimeter. We will require scissor and we will require stapler. That is the material what we require for making our simple flower. So let's begin. So as per normal practice in other crafts, we used to make this paper into standard square size paper, but for this particular flower you should not be making it into a standard square size paper, rather keep it paper in rectangular shape only. So whatever paper of whatever size you take, you just ensure that your paper is in rectangular shape only. Then start folding using this longer side this way, then fold it in this way, then fold it to opposite side and turn around and make another fold on this side. So what basically we are doing is we are making this entire paper into 8 equal parts, right? So we have to fold now this paper into zigzag manner, meaning if I keep this paper, so first fold will be this way, second fold will be on the reverse side, third fold will be again on this side, fourth fold will be on the reverse side, fifth fold will be on this side, sixth fold will be on again reverse side this way, and seventh fold on this side. So you have to make a zigzag folds to your paper using these 8 folds, this and this, right? After doing this, just fold it at the center like this. Now we have to make use of our stapler. Just open it up, make use of our stapler and staple 2 pins at the center, 1 and 2. That's it. Turn it around and just try to cut this open edge on from open side. Just cut this shape here this way. So from open end you have to cut it like this, right? Then again fold it so that you will get the matching edges on this side. So we'll cut this other portion also this way. Now open it up and open it up this way from this side. Open it up completely. Same way, open this side completely. Now try to match these edges here this way. Make use of stapler again and staple 2 pins, one at this corner and other inside, a bit inside. Same way, align these 2 surfaces and staple at these 2 edges, one on this side and other here. Just make sure that this particular center piece where we have stapled is getting aligned properly. You have to press a bit, put your fingers in between. Now just turn it around. Just make all petals of your flowers very with proper shape. You have to adjust these center pins, press it hard using your fingers from inside so that it will look nice. So in this way, you can make flowers of different colors. I have already made it for different colors. So they will look very pretty. You can make it with various colors and various shapes. Just ensure you are using rectangular shape of paper. Hope you liked the video. If you liked the video, click on like button and send me your comments. Also share this video with your friends. Subscribe to my channel if you have not subscribed, and ask your friends to subscribe also. And don't forget to click on hit button so that you will get the intimation of my upcoming videos. So keep watching. Bye.